Singing, the players have warmed up, the game is just moments from kickoff. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Finds his teammate. Confident pass. That's good link-up play. Good ball. The tackle's flying in already. We all know what this player can do from this kind of set piece. Oh, so close. A chance to have a better look here. That first shot missed a goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Forward from the keeper. Finds his teammate. They've won it back. That's nicely played. Confident pass. Well timed there, and he's given possession away in a dangerous place. This player has a crack from distance. Oh, this could be costly. Good distribution. Oh, a chance now to... That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Good ball. Suarez. Nice work there. Finds his teammate. Passed well. And he hits it. Let's take another look at that. Confident pass. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. He has a go. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. Oh, we need to see that goal again. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. What a well-timed tackle. That's good link-up play. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Good disc. And it's half-time then.
Can we go back to last?
1-0 then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though. And with the defender now. Finds his teammate. Now it's Boyd. Back towards the centre. Some safe passing from this team. With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. Lovely passing here. Moving down the flanks here. Oh, confident defending. Good ball. That's nicely played. Lovely passing here. Now it's Boyd. And here's a chance. Oh, that's great determination. Confident pass. Oh, well timed. Passed well. Good distribution. defender regained. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. He tries something special. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Thrown out by the goalkeeper. Good ball. Suarez. Well read. And he plays the ball back. Finds his teammate. Confident pass. Good distribution. And he shoots. Good save. The replay will give us a closer look. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute.